This is a demonstration of how to thread a Necchi Nora machine. This is a vintage machine that was built in approximately 1958 in Italy and still runs like a champ. So you bring the thread over and through the back loop of this metal piece that spans the head of the machine, over and from left to right through the loop in the front of that piece. Then bring it around, and I don't know what you call this vertical piece, but you put the thread from right to left through the top of that. And loop it around and bring it through the bottom loop of that piece, again from right to left. Try to get the thread through there, okay. And then around the tensioner and up through this loop that sticks out of the side. Now, one thing to note here is that this is a Necchi Nora, and I'm not sure what's the difference between this and a plain Necchi Nora, but the instruction booklet shows a different piece right here, but the function is the same. Bring the thread up and take it right to left through the take-up lever, and then back down through that loop we just came up, like so. I gotta sit. Down through the little crack between the headpiece and the body, and there's a spiral. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a spiral loop right there. That's the last piece of the tension. Down just a little bit more, and then I always need a needle threader. You thread from left to right. Hey, actually got it in there. For me, I have to have one of these because of my eyes, and then pull the thread through. Et voila. There you go.